Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Hootsuite for social media step by step clearly. To begin deploying Hootsuite for social media, start by signing up for an account on the Hootsuite website. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, whether it's the free trial or a paid subscription. Once registered, log into your Hootsuite dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, focusing on the left sidebar where you'll find options for managing social networks. Next, click on the My Profile option to complete your account information if required. Now, you need to add your social media accounts. Click on the Add Social Network button. Select the platform you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your accounts. After adding your accounts, navigate to the Streams section. Here, you can create custom streams to monitor your social feeds. Click on Add Stream and choose the social network you want to focus on. Select the type of stream, such as your newsfeed, mentions, or scheduled posts. Now, it's time to create content. Go to the Composer option located at the top of your dashboard. Select the social networks where you want to distribute your post. Craft your message, including text, images, or links as needed. Once satisfied with your content, you can either schedule it for later or post it immediately. To schedule a post, click on the calendar icon and choose your preferred date and time. After scheduling, you can view all your upcoming posts in the Scheduler tab. Next, utilize Hootsuite's Analytics feature to track your post performance. Navigate to the Analytics section in the dashboard. Select the social network and metrics you want to analyze. Create reports to visualize engagement, reach, and other key performance indicators. As you become more comfortable with Hootsuite, explore its additional features like Hootsuite Insights and Hootsuite Ads. Finally, regularly check your streams and analytics to refine your social media strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.